This is musicmap.info. As you can see, when you get to this site, here is how you will open up everything here, and it will show you this map. It's pretty cool because it has a lot to do with all of the different genres of music, and a lot of this is American-based music here. So you can see there's a couple of things to look at. You have a toolbar over here on the left, and you have these plus and minus buttons over here on the right. So over here, you can see that this is showing you many ways you can kind of change around what this looks like here. So you can see different genres. You can search and look up things using these actual buttons on the side. This first one up here, Introduction, shows you a little bit about how to use all of this, what all these different maps look like here. And then these kind of just will break these down into different ways that you can see. But really what you want to be looking at is this actual map here and using these plus and minus buttons. So this will help you zoom in if you use this plus button, and this will help you zoom out if you use the minus button. So if you press this plus, you can see already those genres are opening up here for me. So this is where all the main genres, all the big ones, and as soon as I zoom in, you can see a couple of different things. What's really cool is that up here, they're showing you timeline of music. So what year did it come out? And then these are all the individual genres that as I zoom in even more, you can start to see all the lines that connect all these different genres here. So if I'm over here, you can see everything that would fall into these categories. So if I were to go, let's take a look. If I zoom all the way out again, let's take a look at our big genres over here. So I want to go over here to rock and roll. So I know it's going to be in this yellow category over here. So I'm going to zoom in, and I can kind of come over here and drag this over a little bit. So you can see all those tiny genres that are in the big genre of rock and roll here. So we have different types of rock and roll as we go from early on, as you go through all these different types here. So once you actually find a genre you're interested in, like I want to take a look at a singer-songwriter, which is actually a kind of genre here. You can see if I hover over this, it shows you its main types. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to open up a little bit more about singer-songwriter music here. So this is going to give you a description actually of these genres here. And the really neat part here is if you click this, it's actually going to give you a playlist of different songs that you can check out here that gives you all these different YouTube links to different types of genres. So with all of this, feel free to click around, try out the genres that you like, and experiment. There's no wrong answer. There's all kinds of different music that you can listen to here. And then once you're done taking a look at this, make sure that you answer the final questions on the Nearpod slide, and be sure that you signed in using your full name. Thanks, everyone. Hope you have a great day. Hope you had a great week here coming back from spring break.